All right, you guys seem to like my last let's go shopping together. So today's mission is let's go see what's new at Old Navy. I want to try on, I want to see, we have an up and coming trip, but besides that, I just want to see what's new for spring. I have browsed their websites. There are some things that I'm like interested in looking at and trying on. I rarely, ooh, that's a nice car. I rarely ever shop in store. I typically always shop online. And that's a pro tip, is because this location for me anyways, will not price match. So Abercrombie, Old Navy is always doing sales online. So I probably will not purchase anything in store, but I'll still tell you what I'm gonna purchase online. And if I purchase anything else online when I place my order. But today's goal is just to try things on, kind of see what's new and out for spring. And if you haven't seen my previous H&M one, I'll throw it up in the cards. And if there's any other stores you wanna see this from, let me know. And yeah, let's, oh, pop. I'm the most distracted person in the world. Let's go see what Old Navy has to offer for spring. Let's see if spring has sprung in the Old Navy, you know? Let's do it. Let's go see what she has in store for us. All right, guys, so I'm just showing you a little bit of everything that I got. I got lots of stuff for us to try on today. Pants, denim jackets, some swimsuits, tops, dresses, all the stuff. So let's do it. This is what I'm starting with, and let's see how it goes. So this is the first top. I actually love tops like this. I just think they're so cute and just like, I don't know, you can tuck them in. I love them. So I like the little balloon sleeve on it. Super cute. And then I showed it to you tucked in as well. That's kind of how I would wear it, with a necklace maybe. I think that would be cute. I don't know. I was really looking like an egghead today. So that's just looking like an egghead with my egg colored phone case. But I like this top. This next top I had higher hopes for than I thought I would. It was, first of all, I got an extra small, which I don't know what I was thinking. I definitely needed a small, but it still worked. I just feel like it's not, it looked more flattering in person, I would say, than in this camera, but nonetheless, I didn't love it. It's kind of peplumy, but kind of not like an A-line top. I don't know. The color is really pretty, but I didn't love this like U neckline. I don't know. What do we think? Could be cute. Then there's this dress. Same kind of neckline as the shirt. I thought this dress could either be cute or it could be crazy. And it's kind of giving crazy to me. It has pockets in it. I like that. I do like the print, but it's giving like maternity. And I'm not pregnant. Don't get it twisted, okay? So it's got the bungee back as well. I don't know. I like this print. I don't love it. I ended up getting a skirt as well in this, but I never even tried it on because I didn't like the print. Okay, then there's this. This was only a medium. They only had an extra small or a medium. I would have liked to try a small on. I liked this dress. It could be worn with a bra. Like I'm wearing a bra right now and you can't really tell. It's a thicker canvasy material. I think I might actually order this in a small. It has pockets. I was checking to see if it has a zipper. There's no zipper, but there is pockets, and it's a little bungee back with adjustable straps. This is honestly very cute, a very modest little sundress. It just is too big in the medium, so go to true to size. This next one is a little shirt dress, which I'm a sucker for shirt dresses. I liked this one. It was a little see-through. You can see the pockets and my green undies. Bear with me. But I liked this one. I liked the kind of poof in the sleeve, and sometimes it looks a little weird from back, but I almost think that like shapeless dresses like this can look really chic with like a slick back and some heels or something like that. I don't know. I didn't love it, but I did all at the same time. So here's me still deciding. It also came in black. I did not buy it, but I'm on the fence. Okay. Next, these little cargo pants, way too tight. I got in a 0, and I'm anywhere from a 0 to a 2 in their jeans, and clearly these needed a 2 because I just have a lot of like puckering, but I loved these pants a lot. And then this blue tank is so cute. It is tuckable. I wish it was a little bit longer, but I don't have a blue tank in this color, and it's stunning. It's a little bit closer. I feel like the lighting was a little off in these videos, but I loved it. Again, I love these pants. I think I'm going to try them in a size 2 online. Again, they just did not have it in store either. But these pants I thought were cute. And they're more of like a denim material, not stretchy. So I liked that. Okay, these pants had so much potential. When I grabbed them, I was like, oh, these are like my Abercrombie Sloan pants. They feel the same way, but look at this weird, the fit is just off. And this color was horrendous, but it was like the only color that I didn't have in Trousers, so I would be interested in getting it, but it was not giving what it needed to give. The pants almost like taper in. I don't know what's happening. The feel of them was phenomenal. The back does nothing. It's like big, but not big. It's a small, I just don't know, you guys. I did not like these. I thought I did. When I grabbed them and started trying them on, I was like, yes. But they're like a mustardy. They are not it. Okay, next, I love this denim jacket. It was more on sale online. I think I'm going to get it online. It's really cute. It can be worn like open like that, or it can be like a full shirt buttoned up with the little belt on it. I love this. Ignore my ugly pants right now, but I loved this denim jacket. I think it's very chic and very cool with the rounded edges. It's a little bit stretchy, but still looks like real denim. I like it. Okay, next are these baggy jeans. These are, again, just a bit too tight on me. I got these in a 0, and also I just don't think they flatter me at all. They do nothing for the bum, and they like hit at an awkward length on me. So those were no, the cute potential, but no. Let's try on some swimwear next. Okay, so this one was giving Meredith Blake vibes. This was cute in theory. I liked this little holder, but you either had to zip this thing all the way up, and it had like a little thing on it, all the way up, or if you zipped it halfway down, it would just fall down. Had I waisted bottoms, I guess I just didn't love the fit of this. I just felt like it wasn't doing that much. Don't worry, I have my undies on underneath this, but I just felt like it wasn't that flattering. Next one, I liked this one a little bit better, but again, it just didn't suck me in, and if you lowered it too low, it was just going all the way down. It just did nothing. It was like loose, but not like sucking, I don't know. Don't worry, there's the undies proving, okay? Wear your undies, don't be gross. Anyway, yeah, I just feel like this was kind of a fail. It didn't do much for my lower body region or anything in general, but that was it. So that was kind of a fail, but that was my little Old Navy dressing room try on. Sorry, I can't use my actual talking because of copyright. Okay, you guys, my eyelashes are my eyebrows are probably all messed up. I don't know. That was like a dud times like 1,000. Honestly, I'm like surprised that I didn't find really anything I liked. The only thing I liked was that blue tank, but I'm kind of just like, I don't want to stand in the line to get it anyway. It wasn't that great. I prefer tanks like that just a tiny bit longer because I'm a tucker. But I don't know. I was just kind of let down. Everything looked really cute. When I was picking it out, I was like, yes, yes, yes. And then as soon as I like tried it on, I was just like, there was just something off. I don't know. If I had just like been browsing online, I would have got everything because I thought everything looked cute until I like tried it on. And there was just something off with the fit on pretty much everything, which is so bizarre because I have so many pieces from Old Navy that I absolutely love. I don't know. And then is it just me, or does like Old Navy find like a print they like and make it in every single thing possible? Like they had like a couple of like bold prints, like one that was like very like floral with different color backgrounds, and they had that in like the dress, the skirt, the shirt, the blouse, literally everything. And I was just like, what? Why do they do that? Anyway, I don't know. I had higher hopes and I was let down. So I guess save yourself a trip, but it's so sad because honestly, I love Old Navy 99% of the time. So it was just a bust for me right now. Their swimsuits had super cute potential, but again, just like felt like they did nothing for me. And that just might be me. I might just be having an off body kind of day. But it did nothing for me. So that's a wrap. Let me know where you guys want me to shop next, and hopefully I have better luck than Old Navy because that was a bust. And I just don't have the energy to go over to J. Crew / yeah, I just don't feel like it right now. Maybe that'll be next week, so let me know if you want me to do J. Crew factory outlet, because I don't be shopping real J. Crew prices because that's nuts. So I feel like I should note before I have any people come at me in the comments like, oh my god, you just left a giant mess and didn't buy anything. First of all, that's not my fault. Second of all, I had all intentions of buying things. Third of all, I put everything back on the hanger the correct way, the correct hanger. I didn't put it back because that's doing the most. But I put it back so that, or put it together so the man can easily put it back, okay? On that note of a failed shopping trip, I'm not gonna let this day go to complete waste because I saw that Crate and Barrel has like 40% or $40 off of the KitchenAid stand ice cream mixer. So when clothes don't work the way you want them to, go get ice cream. It's something I've been wanting for a while, so I'm excited.